Hi guys, so we just got to our makeup appointment. We checked in, but there are about 9 persons ahead of us. Not about, there are 9 persons ahead of us. But it's no scene, as they would say in Trinidad. You know, we just saw this. Yeah, that's another saying, get through? No, I did not know that. But yeah, we just saw this other young lady and her eyebrows are done. And she said she's been waiting an hour, but don't worry. The plan is that we're gonna finish up Ariane's and Leah's here, and then they're gonna go and get breakfast for us, because food makes everything better. But so basically this is our setup right now. I'm gonna do Ariane's here and Chantal is doing Leah's hair. So we're just catching on the step and we're doing our own production line essentially. So we'll check back in.
Along the place, fire, 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 fire. ChantayLainey in Port of Spain, fire, 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 fire. Fire in the place. Hi, sweets. It's Tuesday Mass. Can you see the extravagance? Ready, Glenna? Ooh.
Hi.
Oh.
Yes.
Ooh.
I really love this yellow. Yeah, it was a good choice.
Listen, feel cute bad. So we just finished our makeup. We got it professionally done today. We're trying to find the vlog. What happened?
No, I don't mean like no. So remember them say them there at the stage.
Them pass?
What time? Them there at the stage.
Them still there?
1:35. Them just a get on the stage. No.
Wow. So we're trying to find the band now. We're just gonna end up at lunch stop again today because makeup took forever. But I feel like it was worth it because,
yeah. No, honestly, I feel good. Makeup was on point. Let's see if it lasts the entire day.
I pray to God it does.
Because mine lasted, held up pretty well yesterday. But
my makeup never holds up ever. So let's see.
We should have asked her for some more. Remember our plan was that the makeup drop off.
That bridge that gone.
Alright, let's go.
We made it to the lunch stop. I had to take off my tiara because it was trying to suck my mind and my thoughts. We got food again. I got fish. I don't know, I think potato salad and corn and rice. Then I got baked chicken again. They had lasagna, but I just feel like we don't go hungry after eating that. And I'm hungry. That's what it said. It said cassava. So it's cassava salad, not potato. It's actually pretty good. Yeah. So we haven't found Leah or Ariane yet.
And as usual, my battery's gonna die.
Yeah, Glenna's phone's battery's gonna die. So, but we told them where we are. So hopefully they find us soon. So we're just gonna chill here until lunch done, obviously, because we can't do nothing else. So another road mass that we start at the lunch stop. Woo!
Like that, I see you do like that. Why you like that? I see you do like that. You like that. I see you do like that. You like that. I see you do.
Jamaica.
Hi, hi.
Her name is Chantal. She really wanted to meet you. Brian Charles Lara. Thank you very much.
Brian Charles Lara. Hi.
Right there.
I don't like your ways.
I say I don't know who the man is now, right? I see him and I first never see me in my life.
God, no.
I see him and go, this man face don't even look familiar.
Oh my God.
So, we and Leo had a little fallout because I thought Brian Lara was Bayesian. She quickly let me know that Brian Charles Lara is a born and raised Trinidad and Tobagoan. How you say it? Trinidad, what? You born at Trinidad and Tobago.
Take me to the river, take me to the sea. What's wrong with music? Baby, in your melody. We are such a blessed tribe, sweeter than a million bees. People live 1,000 lives, I never feel this free. People coming down, passing my Can you feel Africa, we are in building tonight. Everybody is drinking something.
You sing that song.
What's that Trini reaching your veteran?
Winding under the moonlight.
What's that crazy people jumping up in the van? I kind of different thing they have in their hand. They're jumping up and down, they don't give a damn. Carrying on like them is some hooligan. We gon' mash up everything like we have insurance. And tear down everything like we have insurance. We gon' shell out everything like we have insurance. When crazy people, everybody start to jump and get on band right now. Here we go. We gon' mash it up and buy back. Tear down and build back. Mash it up and buy back. Tear down and build back.
tribe. All the sections in the tribe.
All the sections in tribe come together our way. Last lap with the whining.
It's fire!
It's fire!
Fire, 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 fire. Fire in the place, fire, 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 fire. G shell on the place, fire, 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 fire. ChantayLainey